Assalamu alaikum.
Sulayman b. Yasar said that a man reported to him from Salama, there was a woman who had an issue of blood. And he narrated the rest of the tradition to the same effect, saying, when the menstruation period is over and the time of prayer arrives, she should take a bath, as mentioned in the previous tradition. Sulayman b. Yasar reported on the authority of a person from the Ansar, there was a woman who had an issue of blood. He then narrated the rest of the tradition like that of Al-Layth. He said, when the period of menstruation is over and the time of prayer arrives, she should take a bath. He narrated the tradition conveying the same meaning. This tradition has been transmitted through the chain of narrators like that of Al-Layth to the same effect. It says, she should abandon prayer considering that period she used to menstruate. When the time of prayer approaches, she should take a bath, tie a cloth over her private parts and offer prayer. Sulayman b. Yasar reported this narrative on the authority of Salama. This version has, he, the Prophet, said she should abandon prayer and take a bath at the beginning of the additional period, and tie a cloth over her private parts and offer prayer. Abu Dawud said, Hamad b. Zaid on the authority of Ayyub has pointed out the name of the woman who had a prolonged flow of blood, referred to, in this tradition, to be Fatima, daughter of Abu Hubaysh. Aisha reported, Habiba asked the Prophet about the blood, which flows beyond the period of menstruation. Aisha said, I saw her washtub full of blood. The Apostle of Allah, may peace be upon him, said, keep away from prayer, equal to the length of time that your menses prevented you. Then wash yourself. Abu Dawud said, Qutayba mentioned the name Jafar b. Rabia in the middle of the text of the tradition for the second time, i.e., Qutayba, being doubtful about the narrator Jafar b. Rabia, mentioned his name twice, once in the chain and again while reporting the text. Ali b. Ayash and Yunus b. Muhammad reported it on the authority of Al-Layth. They mentioned the name Jafar b. Rabia,